Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Feasibility of tidal power in India, new tariff-based Karnataka's Bagase-based projects, CESL tender for electric three-wheelers. Coming to the details. Tidal power is also one of the cleanest forms of energy. A parliamentary panel has asked the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy to set up a pilot tidal power project in the country, preferably at a cost-effective location like Gulf of Kutch. There are three main types of ocean energy. First one is wave, which has an estimated potential of 41,300 megawatt. The second one is tidal with estimated potential of 12,455 megawatt. And third one is ocean thermal, for which estimation has not been done till date. Now let us see the factors which are in favor and against the tidal energy. Factors in favor. Tidal is a renewable source of energy which can supply clean form of energy. And also our country is surrounded by sea on three sides and has a long coastline of around 7,500 kilometers with the estuaries and gulfs where tidal power can be harnessed. Factors against tidal energy. As per the latest information available, the tidal power project cost is estimated to be 15 crore per megawatt, which is highest compared to any other power project. Due to the lack of R&D funds for tidal energy, there is no much work done towards tidal energy. There is a definite need to reassess the potential, that too practically explorable potential, and also rework the project estimation. There are few initial steps taken towards tidal energy. In India, two tidal power projects of 3.75 megawatt and 50 megawatt capacities were initiated in 2007 and 2011 in the states of West Bengal and Gujarat. Globally, two projects installed in France and South Korea, which at present constitute 90% of the installed capacity of tidal power. The South Indian Sugar Mills Association has filed an application with Appellate Tribunal against the order dated May 14, 2018 passed by Karnataka Electricity Regulatory Commission, whereby the Commission has determined the tariff of Bagase-based cogeneration projects which are likely to be commissioned after March 31, 2018. The fuel price has to be determined based on the equivalent heat value method with coal as available to the generator or based on the market price of the bagasse. The Commission has instead followed some other methodology to drastically reduce the tariff, resulting in an adverse financial impact to the association members and other bagasse based co-generators. The tribunal observed that the State Commission has not followed the principles of and methodologies of CERC and on the other hand misinterpreted the Bagase pricing mechanism of CERC Renewable Energy Regulation 2017. The Appellate Tribunal for Electricity ruled that the Karnataka Electricity Regulatory Commission should have considered the capital cost of 49.25 million per megawatt as determined by CERC while determining the tariff for Bagase based cogeneration projects. CESL has invited proposals from original equipment manufacturers to provide 1 lakh electric three-wheelers which can be used for municipal solid waste collection, freight loaders, food and vaccine transport and passenger autos. Through this procurement, CESL aimed to achieve cost reduction, standardize the demand for electric three-wheelers and maintain high quality product through quality assurance and quality control procedures of CESL. CESL will lease this vehicle to entities that wish to avail of such leasing services. CESL will also make these electric three-wheelers available through its digital platform for resale to an entity interested in outright purchase. The scope of work for the original equipment manufacturers include designing, engineering, manufacturing, testing, inspection, supply, transportation, complete system warranty and transit insurance, delivery to the end customer and provide after sales support. Additional news today. BHEL invites bids for multi-crystalline and mono PERC solar cell supply. Last date of bid submission is 16th August 2021. Empanelment tender floated for 2 megawatt of rooftop solar projects in Bihar. Last date for bid submission is 16 August 2021. Railway Energy Management Corporation Limited invites bids for 210 megawatt solar projects on vacant railway land. 21st October 2021 is the last date for bid submission. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 176.15 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 3 rupees 61 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 88 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 75 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 89 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 88 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.